and welcome back to my channel. This is Learn to Sew with Nani. Today I bring you an exciting tutorial on how to make a cover button without a cover button machine. Okay, so this is what the cover button machine looks like, and these are the tools you need for you to make your cover button. If you don't have this cover button machine, you need the die for the cover button machine, die or dies. Then you need the molds. Okay, for you to make a cover button, you need two molds, the metal and the plastic one. Then you need your fabric and a hammer or a mallet. Okay, just for a first better, you need your scissors. Okay, so these are the things you need to make your cover button if you don't have the cover button machine. So first off, I'll cut out a strip of fabric, okay, that I use to cover the button. All right, so I just cut it out, cut it in a square shape. Then you put the metal, one of the molds, the metallic mold, into the fabric. Then you wrap it inside. Then I forgot to mention that you also need your thread. Now for the thread, you need to wind it round the teeth of the fabric, okay, just to reinforce that the fabric doesn't pull away from the mold. So you're going to use your thread to wind round it for some time, okay, till you are sure that you have a firm grip of the fabric on the mold. All right, so you just wind it down like so till you are sure you have a firm grip. Then you cut out your thread. Then you also cut off the excess fabric. So this is what it looks like. You just trim off the excess fabric. Then you've covered the mold, you've covered one of the molds. Now the next thing will be to make the other mold, okay, that would cover the button, so that you can use your needle and thread to tack it to your dress or whatever you're making. So this is the die. So you put the plastic mold into the die that has the metallic spring underneath. All right, then the other mold that you've covered with your fabric would go into the other part of the die, or the dice, whatever you call it. Okay, so you put it inside. You can see this part has a lever that you can push inward and outward. So when you put the covered button into it, you then cover the two dies together. Okay, so once you do this, I'm doing it again, you cover the two dies together. Then once you do this, bring your palm around it, then press on it. You can do this multiple times. Then when you get it out, you see that you have your cover button. This is a very easy way, and the molds are, you can get, the dies are affordable. You can get them for 2,000 naira, and the molds, you can get a packet or half packet or even a quarter packet. They are also very, very affordable. So with this method, you can make your cover button without your cover button machine, and it looks as good as the ones you make with the cover button machine. Then to further reinforce this, if you don't have that much muscle to pull this off, you can use your mallet or your hammer to press it down so that you get a very firm grip. Okay, so that is why we need the mallet. Okay, so this is your cover button, and it's super beautiful. Now, so these are the ones I've made with using my arms, my hands, and the mallet. Now if you want to know how to use a cover button machine for this, after wrapping up your fabric with after wrapping up your molds with the fabric like I've illustrated earlier, you put in the plastic mold into the one that has a spring. Then the one you've already covered with your fabric, you put it into the other die, then place the two together. Once you do it like so, you press the lever. You can see this part that has this red paint. You pull it down like several times, like 3 to 4 times, and once you do this, you have a very beautiful cover button. Okay, so this is what I'm doing. Pull it down 3 to 4 times, and when you pull it out, you would have your cover button. Alright, so I already have a video on my channel on how to make a cover button using the cover button machine, but for those of us that do not have a cover button or cannot afford one, this is an easy method for you to make your cover buttons, and they look as good as the ones you made with the machine. So if you found this video helpful, please subscribe to this channel, like and share this video, turn on your post notifications so you get notified. Bye.